In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fade in and out videos in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your clips that you want to fade in and out. Then from here, you can zoom into your timeline like so. Just put it in the start or a little bit over that. Then as you can see, there's these little icons here that if I hover over them, there's gonna be these two arrows side by side. Here you need to drag it, hold it down and drag it until you don't want the clip to fade in anymore. And I can just quickly show you the result. Like that. And to fade it out, it's really just the same out in the end. Just hover over to the ending, click on this little dot and just drag it until you don't want to drag it out anymore. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!